Welcome back to the Big G Resolution car hauling channel. Today we're in the middle of an oil change. It's a Saturday. We got some goodies going on the truck. We got all these brand new VW Atlases. Fully loaded truck going to Chicago. We're at our headquarters here in Nicholasville, Kentucky, getting service done. And Matthew's learning how to do stuff today. Matthew, what are you gonna do today? Help Daddy? Good boy. So that puppy is gonna be getting the horn blasters put on it. My last truck had the same horn installed and it was amazing. We got 4 horns, a bunch of connectors, the solenoid, earplugs, you need that for sure, and the hose cutter. We got a 1/2 inch hose and we got a 1/4 inch hose that's gonna be connected between these, from these to the solenoid. And then from the solenoid, this 1/2 inch is gonna go to the truck tank, connecting to one of these. So we got these aluminum brackets from Lowe's, and we're gonna be building them as the frame for this horn. They're gonna be on both sides like that. There's gonna be another one going here, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a little bit. I'm gonna be drilling holes for the connectors here. They're gonna go through and connect on the other side. You got a sticker? Mm-hmm. You put the horn blaster sticker on your quad? Mm-hmm. Good job. This kid's having fun too, helping Daddy. So far we got this bracket drilled, this bracket's drilled, and to mount it under the cab of the truck, we gotta connect this bracket like that on each side. So that's why I got double. We're gonna connect it to that there so that we have a plate to mount it to the truck with. So just building a little structure here for mounting. It's gonna be going under the cab of the truck, right in the middle, under the sleeper. Okay, so we got these 2 brackets connected with rivets right here. 4 rivets on that one. That's gonna create the base for mounting to the cab. We got a couple more rivets on here. Aluminum brackets, don't gotta paint them. The last one I installed, I had to paint the metal brackets because I used metal brackets. So this one's gonna be lighter and won't rust. So it should hold up. We got the 1/4 inch adapters screwed in, ready to connect to the hose. Then we got the solenoid being prepped over here. 4 hoses are gonna come out of this, go to each horn. And then we got 1/2 inch hose coming out of here, going to the tank in the truck. So we found a spot for the solenoid, perfect spot, right on the bracket. That's gonna go straight to the truck. And we connected these hoses straight to the solenoid. So, should be perfect. And then we'll just wire this thing all the way out. So we tried putting it under the cab like on the previous truck, but on this truck they put in this beam that's in the way. On that truck there was no beam like this there, so we had to improvise, and let me show you where we put it. So that's where it was supposed to go. So we had to shove it in between the frame rails right here. Let me show you. Whew. Look at that, boys and girls. My boss man was under here like a monkey. That's where we shoved it in. Rivets, we put 1 bolt just in case, but that's rivets right there. Подожди, я сейчас выйду. And then we bolted it to that bracket right there. And we're gonna hook up the hose right there and the wiring. It's all tight and dirty under here. Let me get out, because he's about to let all the air out. So we took this plug out instead of that one. There was a plug on here. Put this elbow in and put the hose in. Zip tied it here. Zip tied it there, and it goes all the way back there and down to this guy over here. You can see it over there. It's right there. Yeah, right there. He's about to connect the power, and we're gonna be testing it with this jump pack. Should I blow it right now? Shall I give it a try? Just kidding. He's gonna have to get out of there because that's gonna blow his ears off. But yeah, boys and girls, we ended up not needing one of the brackets since we couldn't put it under the sleeper. So I'm gonna have an extra bracket on the shelf. As you saw, we only used one side of the bracket. The other side of the horns, we just drilled holes and put washers and nuts on through that floor mat bracket, whatever it's called. All right, moment of truth. Whew. There you go. Wow. Same thing. So what we do is we disconnect the city horn. We're gonna put a separate switch on it, and we connect the wiring from the solenoid to this wiring so that we can blow the horn on the steering wheel. So let me show you once again the finished product. We got this bracket, the wiring all let out. Goes all the way to the front. All professionally done.